Hello friends, while beginning this video, we are going to discuss about how to name the modified functional group in IUPAC nomenclature. But while beginning this video, we are going to see one more question. That is, what are the benefits of carbon nomenclature into a human life? Number one is drugs discovery and development. Number two is chemical synthesis. Number three is environmental monarchy. Number four is materials science. Number five is energy production and storage. Number six is food and agriculture. Number seven is education and research. Let's go to this topic. Okay, so here you can see the functional group, suffix, examples and IUPAC name. Okay, yeah. So let's discuss about the first functional group, which is COOH, which is oic acid. Which is what? Oic acid. Here is an example. I have given a structure. So how you are going to identify it in a paper? So here is COOH. So you have to see in the structure there will be given COOH. So it is COOH. So the suffix for COOH is oic acid, isn't it? So the propanonic acid is given there. So we have the green part which is highlighted. It is a root word and we have to drop E and we have to add oic acid. Now let's learn about COOR, which is the next functional group. The suffix for that is OAT, and this is the structure. Okay. For I'm taking an example, so I'm writing here R. You don't be confused. So in this functional group there is COOR, OAT, and here is, so this is this carbon one. So COOR, directly you have to write it. COOR. For that the root word is the red part and we can read as methyl propanoate. Methyl propanoate. Next is COCI, okay, which is AYL chloride. Means this is a suffix. So here is the structure. Let's directly learn that is CO. So this will be, you have to only consider this. that is CI. So here is E आया, तो उसके लिए हम लोग directly we are going to use that red part which is your green part is your root word, which is your red part is your suffix part. Okay, which you have to add in. Next functional group is CNH2, which is amide for the suffix. And next here is a structure, is the example of a structure. So here directly name a C, you can directly name it COH2. COH2. So how many carbon are there? Directly name it 1, 2, 3, and they here will be considered 1. Okay, so it is butanamide. It is butanamide. Next is CN. In the suffix of CN, which is a functional group, here we have to use wait. Here is a firstly. Here firstly you name the carbon atom. First you name the carbon atom. So you have to add this red part, means which is the red part. Here we do not have to leave any word. Directly we have to copy paste that how many carbon atoms are there. If there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here will be considered 5. So 5 carbon atom को हम लोग pentene बोलते हैं. Directly इसको paste out करने का and we get the answer, that is IUPAC name. Now let's learn about the next one, which is the next functional group, that is CO. For that we use ONE, which is the suffix root of for that. Okay, now here is the structure. जो ये होता है ना CO structure, it will be always coming in middle. Never it will be here. Okay, at the bottom side, at the here top, and always will be in a middle. Okay, and now we for that. One more thing, we have to consider the smaller number. How we have to consider a smaller number? If we start from here 1 2 3, okay, isn't it? And if I start from here 1 2 3, which is a smaller one, but here is a nothing smaller one. They are both are equal. If there is a either कोई fourth methyl atom होता carbon का, तो I always we have to calculate from a smaller. अगर हम लोग यहाँ से करेंगे it will be 3. if यहाँ से करेंगे तो यहाँ आएगा 2. तो यहाँ क्या आएगा 2 butene. Okay, now next is OH, which is the next functional group. Here is the suffix for that is OL. Okay, now here's a structure example. ये हमेशा last में ही आता है. Okay, always it can be up also. So for that is butanol. For that is 1 butanol, because हमेशा हम लोग यहीं से काउंट करेंगे, यहाँ से तो काउंट करेंगे नहीं हम लोग. ओके, अभी मुझे ब्यूटेनॉल ये रूट वर्ड कहाँ से मिला? बिकॉज देयर आर दी 4 कार्बन. 4 कार्बन हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? ब्यूटेन. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज CHO. okay, the CHO, and here is the Al, the suffix word, and the next is a structure. So for the structure we have to, like, we can guess in this part. Okay, so for that we have to, red part is the root word and the green part is your what we can say, the green part is your root word, and the what we can say, that red part Al is your suffix part. So this is the most important, exam में भी आता है for that, to identify, to write the IUPAC name. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, subscribe and comment.